Hi, so in this video we're gonna go through a flow that we've created for blog idea generator. So this is the flow. It contains one AI agent which connects to different tools in order to come up with top 10 ideas for us to create blog at FlowHunt. So this AI agent is connected to Google Search, URL Retriever, and also an MCP server. I have created the MCP server through here. So FlowHunt right now supports MCP servers. You can add any MCP server that you can see in the integrations, and let us know if you don't see any other MCP servers that you need, and we'll be integrating it as soon as possible. So I added an SEO MCP server, which contains data for SEO and Google Search Console MCP server. So for the ones who don't know what is MCP server, it's just a way that the AI agent can connect to an outside world. In this case, it can connect to an SEO API to gather keywords, SEO insights of a domain, as well as backlinks and domain analytics of a website. And it's also connected to our own Google Search Console, which means the AI agent would be able to index web pages, see the latest status of indexing of a web page, as well as searching impressions, cost per click, and so on in Google Search Console. So in here I have created an AI agent which is connected to that MCP server exactly, and I have previously run some runs with it. I can show you how the AI agent is configured. So this is the system prompt, which says the goal is to come up with blog ideas for FlowHunt.io, which is an AI agent visual builder. The main thing is that it goes through different keywords, AI automation, workflow automation, and it tries to see basically exactly the current date and come up with top 10 ideas and then rank them based on seasonality, competition, and so on. So in this case, when I come here and say generate 10 blog ideas, you can see the AI agent going through, first of all, like seeing the current date, and then going through different iterations to call the tools that it has in disposal to find more data. So right now it's going through like FlowHunt.io as an AI agent visual builder, and you will see that it will connect to Google Search Console to get impressions data and SEO data of a similar kind. So right now it's seeing the current date, and right now it's analyzing the website top 10 results of a Google Search Console, and now you see that it goes through Google Trends in order to find out different data, and it goes and sees other data. So this is a nice neat feature. You can access this in Flow templates as well, and yeah, so feel free to connect your own MCP server, your own Google Search Console, and create your own AI agents.